Ever wondered how a company, especially a fast-growing one, keeps its financial house in order? I mean, think about it. Invoices flying in, payments going out, revenue recognition, inventory tracking, all while trying to stay compliant with regulations. It's a financial whirlwind. And in the middle of that whirlwind, often orchestrating the entire financial dance, is a specific type of accountant. But not just any accountant or a NetSuite accountant. Now, you might be thinking, accountant? I get that. But NetSuite? What's that got to do with it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unravel today. You see, in today's business landscape, especially in the cloud-driven world, traditional accounting methods are often just not enough. Companies need powerful, integrated systems to manage their finances, and that's where NetSuite steps in. It's a leading cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system, and it's become a cornerstone for many businesses. But here's the kicker. Just having NetSuite isn't enough. You need someone who understands its intricacies, someone who can leverage its power to ensure accurate and efficient financial management. Enter the NetSuite accountant. So, what exactly is the job of a NetSuite accountant? Is it just pushing buttons and entering numbers? Far from it. It's a role that blends traditional accounting principles with technical expertise in a sophisticated cloud platform. Let's break it down. First and foremost, a NetSuite accountant is still an accountant. They understand the fundamentals of accounting, debits and credits, balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, the whole shebang. They're not just tech wizards, they're financial professionals. However, they operate within the NetSuite ecosystem. This means they're responsible for configuring and maintaining financial modules within NetSuite, ensuring data integrity, and generating accurate financial reports. They're the bridge between the accounting principles and the powerful technology. One of the key aspects of their job is managing the general ledger. They're responsible for ensuring all financial transactions are accurately recorded in NetSuite. This involves everything from processing journal entries to reconciling bank accounts. But it's not just about data entry. They also need to understand the underlying business processes and how they impact the financial data. Think about it, a sales transaction in NetSuite isn't just a simple entry. It triggers a chain of events affecting inventory, accounts receivable, and revenue recognition. The NetSuite accountant needs to understand this flow and ensure everything is properly recorded. Another crucial responsibility is accounts payable and accounts receivable management. They're the ones who ensure invoices are processed correctly, payments are made on time, and customer payments are accurately recorded. They're also responsible for managing vendor relationships and resolving any discrepancies. But it doesn't stop there. NetSuite is a powerful tool for financial reporting and analysis. A NetSuite accountant is expected to generate various financial reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, and analyze them to provide insights into the company's financial performance. They're not just reporting on the past, they're helping to shape the future. And because NetSuite is a cloud-based system, it offers real-time visibility into financial data. This means the NetSuite accountant can provide up-to-the-minute insights to management, enabling them to make informed decisions. They're not just number crunchers, they're strategic partners. Another critical aspect of their role is ensuring compliance with accounting standards and regulations. This includes understanding and applying generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, or International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, depending on the company's location. They're also responsible for ensuring the company complies with tax regulations and other relevant laws. And because NetSuite is a customizable platform, the NetSuite accountant often plays a role in configuring and customizing the system to meet the company's specific needs. This might involve creating custom reports, setting up workflows, or integrating NetSuite with other systems. They're not just users of the system, they're also administrators. But what about the specific skills a NetSuite accountant needs? First and foremost, they need a strong understanding of accounting principles. This is the foundation of their work. They also need to be proficient in using NetSuite, including its various financial modules. This involves understanding how to navigate the system, configure settings, and generate reports. But it's not just about technical skills. They also need strong analytical and problem-solving skills. They need to be able to analyze financial data, identify trends, and troubleshoot issues. They also need to be detail-oriented and have excellent communication skills. And because NetSuite is a constantly evolving platform, they need to be willing to learn and adapt. They need to stay up to date with the latest features and updates. Let's look at some specific tasks the NetSuite accountant might perform on a daily basis. Processing journal entries. This involves recording financial transactions in the general ledger. Reconciling bank accounts. This involves comparing bank statements with NetSuite records to ensure accuracy. Managing accounts payable and accounts receivable. This involves processing invoices, making payments, and recording customer payments. Generating financial reports. This involves creating income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Analyzing financial data. This involves identifying trends and providing insights into the company's financial performance. Configuring and customizing NetSuite. This involves setting up workflows, creating custom reports, and integrating NetSuite with other systems. Ensuring compliance with accounting standards and regulations. This involves understanding and applying GAAP or IFRS and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Providing training and support to other users. This involves helping other employees understand how to use NetSuite's financial modules. Auditing financial data. This involves reviewing financial records to ensure accuracy and compliance. And as businesses continue to grow and embrace cloud technology, the demand for NetSuite accountants is only going to increase. They're a vital part of any organization that uses NetSuite to manage its finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.